This is one of my best friends and lifelong friends, Sarah Beth.
I am her entourage, I guess, today, coming to help her figure out which house that she wants to get.
All right, this is the Bush house.
Okay. I'm just real concerned about the post.
The 4x4s?
Yeah. Is it gonna fall?
No, they're doing the job. They're holding it up.
Yeah.
So we call it the Bush house because it's part of the old Bush dairy. This is the last remaining structure of it. It was one of the employees' houses. It's less than 800 square feet. It's 2 bedrooms, 1 bath. It was built in about 1935, and they're asking $12,500 for it.
Well, that's good.
$12,500.
You like that, right?
I love that.
that's
I don't
good.
think anyone will complain with that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I do love the property. It looks beautiful.
Yeah, so
here.
yeah,
It's
down
all
here you got
about
a
the land
pond.
here.
Yeah.
That's why we wanted to show you.
Yeah, we'll let you get that first impression.
Well,
It's dark.
It's dark.
But it's got a fireplace.
It does.
Can you see yourself curled up in your pajamas?
girls' night.
I don't know that we could call this a fireplace.
It could be, though.
This floor, it kind of looks uneven to me.
It's uneven and it's got some soft spots. So this is what I noticed the first time I came in this house.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
So you got a little bit of water damage there.
Okay.
One thing on this house, with your budget, we would want to get really creative
Yeah.
on the finishes and have a lot of fun with it.
And to make the most use of your budget, I think using color in unexpected ways would give it a more designerly touch without
Absolutely.
the cost of finishes, you know? It's not a dream kitchen.
Oh.
Yeah. How old are these appliances?
This, what do you think, 60s?
Probably the 60s based on the fonts, yeah.
Yeah, this is your electrical panel, which if you'll notice is
Like
basically
2
right
feet
over
from
your
the
sink.
There's just really gross stuff on it. Oh, don't touch that. Don't touch that.
The mouse, he had his own bed.
I'm gagging.
This was his kitchen, obviously. This was his food. This is where he would exercise because it's like a maze.
Okay, Elise. What is great, we could keep the base cabinets, replace the uppers above it, and then we could have fun with color on the cabinetry, like a deep olive green, and then save a little money on countertop, go with something fun like a laminate countertop that feels very retro, and bring in a modern stainless hood vent so it would be freestanding and open all the way around.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That would open up the space.
And then hardware is where we can bring personality.
That
home
makes
sets.
me feel a little better.
Yeah.
We're not going to hire the cabinets to be built.
Whoa, you're moving fast.
Yeah. We're gonna build them on site.
We're going in-house.
Rock and roll.
Okay.
They are gonna be custom and they're gonna be nice, but we're not gonna do anything crazy. Is that our sample?
Yes, I think I have an answer for the countertops. Imagine that, but with a square edge,
Yeah.
so that it feels more like real stone.
It's not even that it feels like real stone. To me, the curved edge has always felt very 1997 laminate,
Yeah,
but the squared edge feels
it'll feel nicer.
just a little more kitschy to me.
Yeah, this is the house that Budget built.
Yep.
So we're gonna make it cool. It's gonna be all about the cabinet color anyway.
Yeah. Now we need to find about 50 more saves like this.
Got it. We can do this. Okay.
Yeah.
This house is built completely different than how we build nowadays. No sheathing, no moisture barrier. I mean, it's one thing if we're taking everything off, but since the rest of the siding's in pretty good shape.
We don't need it.
Yeah.
I'm just glad you can't see daylight from inside. Jonathan and I got the siding up in the nick of time. We've got, all new studs. We got cypress siding. We got new insulation. We're weatherproof. Right on time because this house was not prepared for this kind of weather.
Oh yeah. Babe, this looks like a real house now.
I wouldn't call it a real house just yet.
It's dangerously close to being a real house now. There is insulation behind this sheetrock.
Oh yeah, we're making leaps and bounds.
Now we gotta figure out a nice way to trim out the fireplace. It's strange to have nothing. Just a simple beam across the
Just
top.
something.
Yeah, and we can paint it, something like that. I'm glad we're still running on generators. There's no electricity yet, so that's kind of scary. It's looking good.
So we're ready to nail?
We ready to nail.
This flooring, we're using just non-tongue and groove, number 2, yellow pine. It's cheap, It's fast.
Do it.
It's gonna look great, but most importantly, it's gonna be the right price.
Yes.
So we'll run that piece next.
Hey, Mike. Before
Hey.
y'all go too far, I have a question.
Okay.
Since we're face nailing pine,
That's right.
what do you do about the little tiny cracks and gaps?
We're gonna sand it all smooth, the floor. Then we collect the dust, right?
Yeah.
And then we have our own mixture.
And it kind of packs it.
Yep. We're just gonna trowel it back in there. So it'd be
so
like
cool.
wood going in the
You
cracks.
kind of grout it
Basically,
with
yeah.
sawdust.
With the sawdust. You know what color you going with yet? I would stay light.
Yeah.
Since,
Yeah,
you know.
Keep it
it's a
light.
small place.
Yeah, that's right.
All right, come on.
Is it still disgusting?
No, it's not disgusting.
I mean, I know
Just
the
come
floor
see
is
it.
good now.
Look. Little
good.
laundry closet
Yep.
here.
We're gonna have stackable washer and dryer. I'm gonna try to go scratch and dent. That was appliance paint you used to paint the hood of your truck, isn't it?
Yes. You can get white or you can get white.
That sounds good. I'll go with white. And if we have some scratches or dents,
Just touch it up.
I'm gonna get on that. I'm
Okay.
gonna see what I can find for the kitchen too.
But what do you think about the bathroom?
The bathroom looks great. It's still a little funky there.
It's
but-
not funky. It's
Just a little.
nice.
Just a
It's
little
getting
funky.
there. This was a journey.
That house was a challenge, but the land was the muse.
Welcome to the Matthews house.
Oh my gosh, this is so cute.
So
That is so cute.
I can't believe it.
That looks just like you.
This
It
doesn't
does.
even look like the same house.
No, not at all.
Perfect. The yellow door is perfect.
The yellow door, it feels so sunshiny.
It does.
We changed the post. We added new windows. We painted. We had to replace some of the siding. I mean, it took a lot.
Doesn't the brick
So
look good?
cute.
The brick
I was
looks
about
so
to comment
good.
on the brick.
It was
is
always
so
there, you just didn't
beautiful.
really notice it before. This is the last remaining piece of the Bush Dairy Farm.
It's perfect.
I could not have imagined it to be any more beautiful than it is.
Yes,
I
so
love
cute.
it. Oh my word.
Cutest house I've ever seen in my life.
Oh my gosh.
Elise.
I could not
so
even.
Cute.
Everything is new.
The floors, y'all. Oh my gosh.
This floor.
This is a really affordable option.
Yeah, we just
Yeah.
went over all that linoleum.
You know how the house had a little bit of a shake to it? It firmed everything up.
It looks beautiful. The fireplace, I don't even know what to say.
This entire section had to be replaced.
Oh my gosh.
And so we took some of that siding and
Yeah.
then built a mantle for you.
I think it looks beautiful.
You're gonna see a lot of like woodland creatures
I love
and
that,
things
though.
because I just feel like your house, it's all about where it sits, the land it sits, because your house feels a part of it now to me.
Absolutely.
Oh my god.
My word.
This is from the Old Baptist College, and this is just some tongue and groove pine that they were going to throw away.
Mallory and I painted this stencil on the back of it to really soften it so it wouldn't be rustic.
Stunning.
And then we got a little bush dairy here.
I love that.
Just a little more of that history.
I
Oh my
cannot believe this.
Believe.
This just makes me want to bake y'all some cookies.
So your countertops are laminate,
They look so good.
right? They're pretty
Love
cool.
them.
Yeah, so the uppers are new, but then the lowers, we changed out the drawers, changed the door fronts, and we were
We
like,
didn't change the layout.
no, we kept everything where it is.
How
It
cool is this
looks
backsplash?
so good.
It
looks
costs
so
like
good.
nothing to do, and we thought it was so cool.
And I love the open shelving.
Yeah, we wanted
That's
to
great.
create as much openness as we could. So you have a little storage and you have a hood vent, but it's not taking up the precious little space that you've got.
It makes the space feel so much bigger.
It does.
This is literally a dream kitchen.